Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Updated Minds. In this video, I am going to tell you about a very exciting opportunity for students who wanted to do their internship. Okay, this internship is from Sparks Foundation. Okay guys, before going to know about the internship, if you are watching the channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel. So let's know more about this internship. So guys, here this is the official website to apply for this internship, and I'll provide the link of this website in the description. So this internship is called as Graduate Rotational Internship Program, and let's see the steps to apply for this internship. So guys, for this internship you have to apply before 24th August 2021, and you will get a selection email, that is whether you have selected for this internship or not, in the last week of August. And the internship starts in first week of September. Okay, and you have to submit your assignments before 21st of the September. Okay, next. So guys, here are some programs present in this internship, that is web development, mobile app development, data science and business analytics, content development, digital marketing, IoT and computer vision, campus ambassador, talent acquisition. So you can choose any one of this program and you can do this internship. Like you have to do at least one task in any one of this program. Okay, so here they have given some websites to apply for this internship. And guys, so I'll tell you about this background verification later. So see here, by click on this register now, you'll get a form which you have to fill all these details. Okay, after filling this form, you'll get an email that you have registered and you have to fill your details in mycredible.info. See, you can see here regarding the background verification. So in this mycredible.info, you have to verify your details regarding your picture, like your images, and your educational qualifications, your any certifications, any work experiences. All this you have to mention in this mycredible.info. They'll provide the link for this mycredible.info in the email, which you'll get after the registration. Okay, after filling this particular Google form. Okay, so in this way you can register for this internship. And here are some frequently asked questions, so you can click on this, and if you have any doubts about this internship, how to do this and all, you can just go through these ones. And so if you have any queries and if you need any support, you can contact this and you can go through this. So in this way you can do this internship, guys. So you have to do at least one task in one program. So for completing this internship, if you wanted to get a letter of recommendation, you have to do at least 3 tasks in your program, and you have to do at least 2 tasks in other program. Okay, so this is about this particular internship, and I hope this video is useful for you all. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel.